Many students and teachers like to create some kind of a video or add pictures to show artwork, sports that they're into, different pictures from the classroom. So this quick video is going to show two options on how to do that. With the new Google Sites, man, this just makes it so much easier. So the first that I'm going to show is actually adding an Adobe Spark video. So Adobe Spark is a great free tool that allows you to create posts, pages, videos. This is just like a simple test video that I had going on, but I could actually add photos to each of these slides. I could voice over if I wanted to, and I could even add music. So once I get this finished, then I would click on share, and notice that it gives me a link to copy here. So now within the new Google Sites, if you click on the Embed option, you can paste in a link. And notice this is just a preview, so a static description of the site, which is what the only option used to be, but now they give you this whole page option, which means I can embed the video live onto my site. Okay, so this is going to be the actual web page, and when we go to preview, we'll actually be able to see that and the video. Okay, and then maybe my favorite option, simply because the video will just play on its own, is just adding a Google Slides scrolling gallery. So I'm going to go find a Google Slides that I have here in my drive. Try to think of one that just has some pictures. Okay, so here's one that I like. Note that this could be full of work that you've done in art class. It could be full of pictures of you playing a certain sport. You resize it to the size that you want. You can center it, and then notice that I've got several options here. I can go to settings, and I can say I want to loop playback, and I want it to auto start. I want every slide to be, let's say, 3 seconds, and then done. So when we go to preview this site, or when we have it published and everyone's viewing it live, you'll see two options here. So the first, I've got this live video, but I do have to click play, but then the video will start playing here. And then the second option is this Google Slides here that's going to continue to just scroll through on its own. And I do note that if I create anything in Google, I have to open it up so that everyone can see, but this is a really good way to add a scrolling gallery.